This video will help you fix an issue with Windows and Android lately, to where if you plug in your Android phone into your Windows 10 computer and it doesn't show up somewhere over here, this video is for you. First, make sure your phone is actually plugged into your computer. Next, unlock it at least one time. If it goes to sleep after this, don't worry about it. Now, depending on your Android version, your phone may show up here now after all that. If not, just continue watching. Okay, if your phone is still not showing up, bring down your notification area, and that's usually the thing you just drag down from the top of the screen. Look for Android system charging this device via USB and click on it. It says charging this device via USB. Click on it again. You'll bring up this menu. Click on File Transfer. Where the heck happened to my phone? Again, depending on your Android version, that should be all you need. But in this case, it's not, and this is where the issue comes in. To fix this issue, make sure your phone is unlocked again, and it's still set to File Transfer, with your phone still plugged in. Go to your hard drive, whichever you have Windows installed on, in my case C, then open the Windows folder, then open the INF folder. Scroll down all the way down to the W's and look for WPD-MTP, which is right here. Right click on it and press Install. You will be prompted, just press yes. Operation completed successfully, and notice how I'm now able to access my phone again. That should fix any issues you have with your phone.